Transform your business English vocabulary about tourism. Tourism, the activity of traveling to and exploring places for leisure, culture, or business. Money about tourism, insurance policy, price war, currency, cryptocurrency, foreign exchange. People and jobs tourism, travel agent, passenger, tour guide, tourist. Tourist attractions, art gallery, museum, sightseeing, excursion, beach. Air travel and tourism, airline, check-in desk, in-flight magazine, departure lounge, boarding card, charter flight. Other transport and tourism, railway, train, fast-speed train, subway, clean air bus. Follow us for more interesting content like this.